means move forward. That's a very positive image. Wademuunya musongeki mbele songa mbele. What was the motivation behind songa?
Okay, before I proceed, there are some people I want them to come in front. Nina wano bajeno bangenanga abantu bembera nga beba making up.
Okay.
Wilbur mbadde nsabose embereko wana mwena abali a Wilbur, Selector Williams, Habike, Bina Baby mubampereko wano ku bufo buno obusooka wano mu maaso wano. Wali abayimbi we bali we balina okutuula awo. Mujeno mbegayiridde abasajja abo. Those are the people Jacobo we bali. Those are the people played my music from the first day.
Blessed.
So I really do
Let's
respect.
put our hands together.
Abu, yeah. That's why I invited them. I made sure I told my manager,
Blessings.
please make sure you invite these people.
And special thanks to the media fraternity.
But then some we mubateka fab. Daba ba planning le wali we wate mabega wali wa. Team Edikenzo munyambe kabasajja bombo bampera awo we wate awo basajja bamanyi nyawe mulaba.
Edikenzo afuse ne Asha. Ayagala nnyo omulimu gwe.
We
would like to thank the media fraternity. I've seen different media houses, bloggers, media personalities.
Abu, na wali we wati waliwo basajja bamanyi nyawo bahapike bantu abanyamba okulanda become someone.
We thank God.
Omanyi media eno mubamu abantu nga they know your journey from the
day, from the first day.
Yeah. And I really do respect Faizo Mulinde. You know where we came from.
Faizo musonge mbele. Songa mbele. Yeah.
Fune umutula. Obo butewe muinza no bwongera muko wano katono wano. Onyigamu.
Okay, back to the mulamwa.
Okay,
Soko demo akayimba ako, please.
Soko demo akayimba ako.
It's very inspirational. It has a good message. Inspiration, motivation, what made you sit down and say Nino kusonga mbele mukubira kayimba ko bugalo bwamanyi kayimba katabu. Thank you for starting with that song because the message is very powerful.
Very powerful and it means a lot to me, honestly. This song I was in Ivory Coast. Oh,
this was the time of
this was the time of, when we started the lockdown. By the time I went to Ivory Coast. Olimbo lunzijukiza ebintu bingi nnyo because nali down like so down. Nasoka nemfuna apartment nga tugisasula around 200 USD. Nga ndaba nyingi okubanga osasula emitwalo gya Uganda almost like 7-8, per day. Nga ndaba that's a lot of money and I'm like, hey, this is a lot of money. But unfortunately, na getting depressed in that house. Nga ndaba enyumba enfundiridde. I'm thinking I'm not allowed to go back home. I'm thinking about my kids. The food is very bad. I have a very sensitive stomach, and I was depressed. So I started getting thoughts, and I'm like, man, I think I should kill myself. I don't know why I started thinking like that. But whatever the kind of being depressed, nyongo ulira oyagala oveewo nga ndaba buli kimu kifu, buli kimu tekisoboka. Sobola kwogerako n'abantu bange ensi gye ndimu wadde banjagala nnyo naye olulimi si lwe lumu bintu nali sibitegeera kugamba kati nga bwe mba nsirise nga ekintu kingamba naye lwaki tobuuka n'ogwayo like Stan muzibu nnyo nga lwaki tobuuka n'ogwayo. So I'm like man bamu eno ennyumba ya kalina ende mu apartment nga ya wansi kuba bino ebirowoozo byenfuna byaki kati ne ntandika okwogerako ne matini abo nga mbakubira ne mbagamba lwaki buli wembeerawo nga ntudde omutima guŋŋamba buuka ogweyo. So nembeerawo nga sibitegeera ate na Ivory Coast nga we are not allowed to move. I cannot go to studio nga olina kubeera mu nju basically nga buli kimu sikitegeera nali nina ebirowoozo bingi. Then nembagamba banoonye apartment. Nali nyina bamanager bangi, nyina abantu abankolerako internationally. Some are in USA. I have 2, Idem and Mike. Mike akola kuligo team, then Idem is a promoter and our manager also. And then we have another one in West Africa for the French speaking.
Yes.
Shelby. Mkomana nyamba Shelby was on tour in Madagascar. Yali nayo mulimbi I think Peter Square. So najja naye nanegatako. So natandika okumpa comfort and is like, don't worry, we're going to get another house. So we got another room. naye ennyumba gye twafuna full house, swimming pool eriko biki because baalabanga obwongo butabusimusa.
At least space yo yali nene.
I was going crazy. Ne banfunira omupiira because I love football. Banfunira omupiira bantwala ewantu nga I can swim. Nali simanyi nakuuga but nibonteekaawo kati nenga kyennyanja nali simanyi nakuuga gabera nambeerako nnyo ntandika okuba nga tusula wamu naye naafunako room. Then my guitarist nali naye and then other 3 Ivorian people okuba nga
babayamba
awo obulamu ne bugenda nga buteereramu nga nfuna omupiira n'ensamba and all that. So ne bandeetera studio nakubira abagayi ne bajja ne banzimbira studio in one room.
Oh wow.
Like home studio. So I started the recording lweno oluyimba lwe nasookerako ne nkubira Stein, my producer, my official producer, I think is Stein Oliwa.
Producer Stein
sembera ken kati ne mukubira mugamba
because tutia.
I really feel so bad, you know.
No, I know. In every bad situation, a good thing will always come out. So we like to put our hands together to Eddie Kenzo for not giving up. Because no situation is what? Is permanent. Whatever you're going through, even now, not everyone is okay. People are going through, especially people in the entertainment industry, we are going through one of the hardest moments in our lives. No shows, we don't earn from copyright, we don't earn from record sales, all we depend on bivulu here and there. How are we managing? And the fact that you're here, you're able to put on a smile. Eddie Kenzo survived that lockdown. I was chatting with Eddie Kenzo when he was in Ivory Coast. And it was, you know, besides, you cannot even say it shall be well. Because and the fact that he has had this opportunity to break it down for us means a lot. DJ, as he recollects himself, please play that song that one more time. The fact that your DJ is called Miracle, it goes to show that it's not by chance. Everything happens for a reason. You got a DJ called Miracle. Wow. You got a manager called Beta. You know Alpha and Beta? Beta is not Beta, you know, Bikawa. Alpha, Beta. Kenzo, track number 2.
So, we were spending a lot of money.
Yes.
And we came from 2 to almost 2 and something USD to end up almost 5,000 per month.
Per month?
5,000. You know? Because I have
just rent.
But I didn't feel it. So we were paying 5,000 per month. Plus Korea and all that, I think was spending between 4,000 to 3,000 per month. It was a lot, but because Nalimfunye studio, Namfunye swimming pool,
so it was on something.
I really didn't feel it. It was a lot of money, but I didn't feel it. And that went for almost like 4 months. I spent a lot of money there. In Banyamba Nyo, I thank the government honestly. When again the Ivory Coast, against
yes, we be hard.
Naye abantu abo banyamba nnyo bampa nnyo obuyambi in that nentupeesa n'eng'amaani nandibeddewo ntya nga bano abantu sibo nali nja kufa, you know.
Twatandika campaign on social media and we involved the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Kadaga, Oli Mama. Yavayo, they even had a special sitting in Parliament to discuss Eddie Kenzo. So work hard, the government will recognize you. That one I must say, work hard, they'll recognize you. We want to thank you for going through that moment.
Yeah, so
Nenkubira
Stein, I told him, you know what? Nkolerayo track nga eri encouraging something like our local from way back, something modern, you know. Netandika okuyiiya nasindikira zi sample until we got that track. It comes from like rumba, old school Ugandan music of Kadongo Kam, like Ohulira, there is a urbanization songa. So then take a kakaimba ichasoko kunzijira gamba songa mbele. Don't give up, don't stop. Because I wanted to encourage myself.
Hand clap.
Yeah.
Positivity all the way.
Yeah, I wanted to encourage myself, like you can still make it, keep going. It was very difficult because we spent over 300 million. There is no way.
Yeah.
Spending, saving, because just to take a moment in a period of only 4 months. you have to go crazy. You know?
Yeah.
So he spent a lot of money. Naye nebaza abantu abanyambako abambikwano jange. There is a man from Arua. You know, he told me that I will never mention his name on in media, but this guy really did a great job for me. I won't mention his name. He lives in Nigeria, but he's a Ugandan from Arua.
I know him.
That guy sent me 10,000 USD.
Wow.
He sent someone at my hotel. I think he has a connection in Cote d'Ivoire. And he's like, you know what? Go and look for Eddie Kenzo. I got his manager's contacts. They told me he's in this place.
Yeah.
The person came. He came with $10,000.
Wow.
And many people
Amazing.
started sending me money. My brother Twaha and Haju Maru and many people, you know, can't mention.
We thank God for friends.
Abayimbi, they kept on sending me messages, encouraging me. Man, olaba ezere naina mo buzibu ne bebe kulu. Nene bebe kulu yankubira simu nanga mamana. You know what you're going through.
Yeah.
I'm here with my wife and we're praying for you.
Wow.
Keep going. So man, I thank Ugandans. I thank everyone who really prayed for me. That wasn't the easy times, I'm telling you. Omuntu nga takiri mu yetakimanya. Naye gwe wekubamu ekifaananyi nga we were spending it over 300 million. Naye nga tomanyi dira ovaayo.
Yeah.
Nga kwegamba olaba oyinza n'okugenda mu billion. And I was going through a lot. Naye Mukama nanyamba. I became coming out with that message of songa mbere. Never stop. Kano kowulira mulemeremi itima moni. Ebyo bye mukola temubimanyi. Ako nakongeramu bwongezi. Naluwulirizamu Fake Famaika. Fake nangamba, yongeramu kana akantu. Nayimba ka message. Kati ye yali ayimbawo ng'agamba, ebyo bye mukuba temubimanyi. Ye rapper.
Yeah.
Ebyo bye mukuba temubimanyi. So zinenteekawo. Ebyo bye mukola temubimanyi. So ye yampako ka melody. That particular melody was given to me by Fake Famaika.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful.
So yeah.
Artists coming together to support each other. This is nice.
Yeah, man.
Okay, song number 2.
Izi nyimba ze twakulirako muzeyi nga akunyigidde n'okamuterawo byonna abyerabira. How did you meet Monique Seka?
So Monique Seka, she's born in Ivory Coast, but lucky enough, she was also locked down there.
Yeah.
She lives in Paris. You know, abeera France, yabeera obulamu bwe bwonna n'abaana be gy'abazaalidde. Omanyi abayimbi ba West Africa ensi zaabwe zaagwamu entalo. Kati ensi bwe zigwamu entalo abayimbi badduka ne bagenda ne babeera awa. Abayimbi ba France, abasinga abayimbi ba Mali, Senegal, Liberia, they are all in France and Europe
yes.
In particular. Bonna babeera Europe. Most of big artists gwenna gw'okoonako n'ogamba ono babeera Bulaya kubanga ensi zaabwe zaali teziri settled.
So fortunately yali Ivory Coast lockdown yamusangayo. Okay.
Kati nze ne ngamba banaye njagala kukola ki kulaba kukoya omukyala kubanga Uganda yakuba Uganda n'agiteeka ku ki ku ttaka. So njagala kumulabako ne bamukubira n'abagamba nange njagala nnyo Eddie Kenzo, Love City Rose and all that and Maria Rosa mumuleete wange mufumbire ekijjulo.
Wow.
Naye nali ndi a little bit sick kubanga omanyi nabeeranga down. Ye ne bamugamba teyewulira bulungi naye woba omusobodde omuyamba n'ojja jangu. Kati neesitula n'ajja owange we baali banfunidde apartment ne tunyumyamu ne bukiripusobo gye buli ku YouTube nga tunyumyamu. Tamanyi Luzungu, amanyi Lufalansa lwokka na lulimi lwabwe.
Ate gwe tomanyi Lufalansa na lulimi omanyi Luzungu. Basically mwali awo nga mukosa sign language.
Naye nga bali banzivuunulira naye nga olaba she's a good soul. Nemugamba mama, I would like to do a remix. I'm working on my album, but I would like to put on your song. I really love this song, and it means a lot to Ugandans because they love it from village to village.
Yes.
Most especially where you come from. They love these songs, you know. So that's how we came out with an idea. Nampa permission. Naja, she redid the vocals. Vocal was ziwulira kati zino. Size eziri. Zino owulira za mkyala mukulu. Luli aluyimba muwala muto. Ne kati bw'owulira vocals for Machiwaledi. N'aziddamu awo wennyini. A true caller with the producer called Momo Wang. Then naluweereza France for mix and master.
Legend. Wakkiriza okole remix y'oluyimba lwe oba otuuse. And moreover, if you're not from the same country, because normally they do collabos with their countrymen, but hey, Eddie. Wow. Wow. We like to recognize Parker Records in the building. Mr. Waiki Benda, atayina byenda, oba girls dem agenda, oba biki, abuze enfaye. Drake Ali, wagwan, Sajja Ventebe, just new in Kampala.
Spice.
Amanyi Club Circa. Club yajanga nonya Club Circa, netumugamba sorry. That was before. Sajja Ventebe oyo. Drake Ali, good to see you. Mpaka, pick up on yourself. Miracle. Tugende mas. Oh my goodness. From one legend to another legend on the same album, featuring Omwana Wachi. Omwana Wachi. Omwana Wachi. No matter the situation you are in, it's never permanent. God has a plan for each and every one. Let's put our hands. Kenzo, you have brought back memories because those are two of my favorite artists growing up. Kanda Bongoman, Monique Seka. Hey, Katya, tell us the story.
Now, this song I met Kana Bongoman. In fact, he had the roots when Balam brought him.
Yes.
Before even going to Ivory Coast. Before even going to Ivory Coast.
Yes.
So I met Kana Bongoman. He told Balam, bring me Kenzo.
Eh?
You know? Yes.
Wow.
I didn't even know that he knows me. And he told Balam, get me Kenzo. So Balam called me and he's like, Mzee Kana Bongoman wants to meet you. Nemu meeting, and by that time he was coming from the president, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Nangamba man, I really love what you do.
Wow.
I've seen many African artists coming up. I've been following African music since our days with our people.
Yeah.
But trust me, you are unique. First and foremost, you are selling your language. You are very original. You are doing original music. You are selling Africa to the world. I really appreciate the fact that you use young people in your music video, the kids. In fact, nabona abantu manantuma nangamba mpitira ku Masaka Kids. Yali agala Masaka Kids and Ghetto Kids were busy. So I nentumya ba Masaka Kids all the way from Masaka to come and meet him. He was very happy to see them. Ne bamuziniramu. We met in Entebbe. So nangamba, you know what, Eddie, I want to give you a gift. I'm like, which gift? Go back, redo money.
Wow.
Yes.
Because that is the song, that was his breakthrough song, by the way.
Yes.
Hey, he told you to redo it.
Yeah, he said he redo money because this song means a lot to me. This song means a lot to Africa.
Yeah.
This song has sold Africa worldwide. He told me, you know, Eddie, me, I've done shows everywhere.
Yeah.
You know, he told me I've been in studio with Jay-Z, with Kanye West, with who because of this song. So please, that's
so he shared some of that blessing.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Kano bakaita ye.
Kano bakaita shekamo.
Shekamo.
Like shaking them.
Eh.
Na kwata Oluganda, nedugata mu Lufaransa, nedugata mu Luzungu. Shaking them. Shekamo.
Shekamo. Shekamo. Kava puchi.
Akakayimba nakakola ndi. In fact, akakayimba nakakola ndi USA. Awulira ebyo ebizibu byatuukako simanye Rema bamutute we nakola akayimba
no gamba shekamo. You can't shake me on.
Nakakola ne guy bamuyita Tribe Mark.
Yes.
Tribe Mark is an upcoming in America promising rapper.
Wow.
Very good one. In fact, agenda ku signingibwa very soon ne Ekone. So mwana
beautiful.
Yeah.
To the media, we are going to give you an opportunity to ask questions after we have done the review. We are just reviewing a couple of songs off the album, not all. The interest of time, because we did not plan for it to go past 7 o'clock.
Loco.
And Miracle, tugende kalala.
Chitambude bulungi.
All right. First of all, tugenda kakola. Kansoke mbajukize before they forget. Guys, you know very well, abayimbi tetulina bivulu. Every time you pirate a song, you take away from us. You take away from the artist. Please support. You can get the Made in Africa album by Eddie Kenzo on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, or Amazon Music. Please just go. It's a very little amount of money. And you have your 21 songs. You listen to them in your car, at home, wherever you are. Please, let's support Ugandan artists. Let's start with this album. Yeah. And then we follow with the rest of the artists. Now that they are no vivulu. But artists are fair to bateke mu sente bayimbe nyimbe ndale za kabi.
And that is the reason why I decided to invite the new generation musicians.
Exactly. And I'm very proud that the hottest new generation in Uganda is here today.
Yeah.
I want to thank you guys. Big up on yourself. I think I've interviewed each and every one of you on my show. I think so. But I just want to thank you guys for coming through.
Because you know, bro, like many pandemics are coming on our way. Because as the young people, we have many years ahead of us. And we are the you know, people like Spicy, Bawaiki, Bakaro, Bajostede, Zexi, Bonaba Nabasajja bali wano. Mbabulire ekintu kimu. Tutandika okukola album, tutunde online, twogere ne bannayuganda bannaffe to purchase music so that we can earn a living. Nabo tusobole okubasanyusa. Bwe tunaabeera awo nga tutandika ebintu by'okutuula nga tulinze just kuyimba tufune, kino ekyo kigenda tukubawala. So we should change this. Tukikyuseemu, tutandika okuba nga tukola album, and don't put it on the YouTube because me I'm not going to put these songs on YouTube. Okujjako nga maze dukolera video, that's when I'm going to put it on YouTube. No song on YouTube until I do a video for it. Ochiraba? Kuba bwe nkola video nenduteeka, I'm going to earn from a video.
Very true.
But I'm not going to put audio on YouTube. No.
Very true. Very true. There is a reason when I joined Sanyu FM, you know Sanyu used never to play Ugandan music. That was their policy. Nengenda nengamba, if you want me, kubanga nange nagenda nenda banga ndi brand ya kabi. Uchitegeera. Nemba gamba muhindi man, if you want me, we need to change. You need to bring the whole me. That is why interview Zenalinkola, Zali, only local artists, especially the new generation. Because you guys are the ones holding the baton. The baton is in your hands. And it is you to lead it to the next generation. But right now, Mwabaliko, and I am very proud of each and every one of you. Kubanga, you are not sleeping. Temulese COVID, Kuba, Temulese Bichi, you are releasing hit after hit after hit. Era, I just want to say I'm super proud of you. Era tukenda genda maso with all the support we have. So Eddie Kenzo.
So before we go to that song, I'll do that call.
Yes.
Maybe you'll give me that chance after this song.
Yeah.
So we're welcoming each and everyone. But the song we're gonna play next, Kanakaimba Bakaita Uganda one. In terms of kumachualinga internationally, and in terms of invitations with different music festivals. You know, badde nakajanga bankubisa shows. Festivals there's obatera ziwa bantu Baisondu, baziwa ba Alpha Brondi, baziwa bani, because gwe baba tebakwekakasa bagamba onayinza tulabisaamu ku show kati baba kulinda ogume but since last year nga COVID tanajja guno omwaka guba kutabaamu COVID tubadde tuli booked almost all the biggest festivals in the world.
Wow.
Tubadde tuli booked fully, like I'm telling you, nali ku interview emu ne ngamba I'm booked all 2021 bande balowooza nsaaga but actually nali saaga nali booked all 2021 nenga all festivals. Bantu babadde bamanyiko just Afro Nation but no. Badde ndi booked festivals, Caribbean festivals, Puerto Rico, American ones.
Ne Colombia yo.
Kati buli we tubeera ku ezo show ziwulira abantu, people are proud of themselves. People promote their country. People love their people. Because empungu terabiri, however much you're international, but you have where you come from.
Yeah.
And these are Uganda, that's your country is Uganda. You have to really promote Ugandans. You have to love a Ugandan before you love anyone else.
Very true.
Because before you become anything else, you are a Ugandan before anything else.
Yeah.
So, nange nensalawo nengamba man, when I go to a festival, I can sing a song that is going to inspire Ugandans. So this song is called Uganda. Oh yeah.
Yes.
It's just encouraging all Ugandans to work hard. Mwebale kola, mwebale kuzaala, muzaala abaana, mukuza abaana.
Ono bina bane mbalamusiza mikwano muli mutya waliwo ayogera waliwo agamba mukikonyemu nalo namanya mampita bine baby nkola ne Kyenda Kawumuzanya Demba FM neranga bannaye mikwano nze ndi musanyufu nate ngambye banenga ntidde n'okujja angamba album egenda kubeerako nnyimba ki naye ndi musanyufu nti it cuts across neranga nsanyuse nnyo okulaba nti kyendabyeko ekitono made in Africa kyekyo Kenzo We love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Nze nositera kwogera manyi kwogera ku radio, so I'd like to respect you, Kenzo, always. You've never disappointed me, brother. Telling you, you've never. And I'm very certain it's going to be massive. This album is going to be massive. Only one thing. Umanyi, I've lived long enough of witnessing a lot of changes in the world. There's a time twaberanga albums back zifulumira ku tape. Kati ate tuyingidde mu generation eyammwe ey'okutulira online. So back then twakolanga oluyimba lumu ne lubeera nga lwe lwakabi ne lutunda album. Naye ndaba nga zino mukoze ennyimba zonna nnungi ezigenda okutambuza album. So I'd like to big upon yourself, brother. This is really nice. You've never disappointed me.
Yeah, thank you very much. Abucha zisi makula omnene. Omudusu wa kabako wisha makatsa genyi ngero nyingi. Kenzo, as my brother said, you've never disappointed me. For the years I've been around, chulicholeta chikirizibwa nchecho. One thing I'm worried about, Ogambie, bana Uganda, by the kanchogere mu camera, mumanyidwa mu pirating aba computers, mutuyambe kano temukabba. Kano temukola ki? Temukabba. Albums nyingi zifulumiziddwa oblate abayimbi batono abadde ba releasing. Actually, album jenyine latest yali Go Mama from Bebe Cool. Ndautinga ati onolwa ina Go Mama, yet it was a nice album. So, tuyambe our music industry, tutwale album eno nga bweri. Don't pirate it. So lokubera ntugenda maso. Thank you very much, Kenzo.
Yes, I go by the name Grenade Official. Eranga, I want to thank Eddie Kenzo Bambi. Big up on yourself, Masajja Gwe. Katonda kuongere bingi bro. Sina bingi bya kuongera naye bro. Jotunoze kubolya music industry ya Uganda. You trying to kubanga Kenzo ayina eddoboozi eddene ko erisinga gaffe. You understand? Agezaako okutu akikoze man like openings abantu okubalaga. Baba bagala okuyamba abantu baabwe n'abayimbi baabwe ne industry yaabwe kibalina okukola. Man, sina bingi byakwogera byonna mubyogedde naye nga Kenzo. God bless you, bro. Bless you. Sure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nze nayita Musamale, album wedde kati tulinze mugole.
Eddie Kenzo. It's a very nice album. The music is so nice. It's so African. Represents who you are because you're African. We are so proud of you as Ugandan musicians. Thank you very much.
Amanya Nedovo's Spice Diana, and I would like to thank everyone that has made it today. The media, the fans, thank you so much. You guys, Mwemutfula Chetuli. And for Eddie Kenzo, I want to thank you for what you've done for the Ugandan industry. Bani msoke mumpere ngaliza manyi Eddie Kenzo. We shall never have another Eddie Kenzo mu Uganda emyaka jonna. Muchongere ngaliza manyi. Tumusime nga chali mulamu kubanga there's no one that has represented Uganda like Eddie Kenzo outside there. Atenga buli nsi yonna kyeyagala, buli nsi eyagala ebere n'omuntu nga representing Uganda oba ensi yaabwe wabwereyo. So Eddie Kenzo, thank you so much. You've done it. You're an inspiration. Fenna tulabira kugwe, and thank you so much for supporting us. Kubanga byonna byotuseeko wandibadde tetwetaaga nga ffe abayimbi abaakajja mulembe guno naye webale nnyo Mukama akwongere byonna byosinga okwagala ate album eno bambi basaba support it kubanga ye kati embeera gye tugenda okuddamu ng'abayimbi bwe tuba twagala ogenda maaso. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Amanya Nedovozi Waiki Benda. Njagala kutumira ku Bina Baby. Yeah, I want to thank my brother Eddie Kenzo for the great music. But most importantly, I want to thank you for believing in yourself. Because more than anything, but it's up to you. Either Eddie Kenzo or Eddie Kenzo, and much respect to you, my brother. Njagadde okwamplifying ekintu kyayogedde eri abantu abatulaba ewaka n'ewa gyonna gye muli. Please mugule music w'abana Uganda. Mulekera ogamba nti Eddie Kenzo lwaki video ye eri bweti nga ya Wizkid eri bweta. Muntereko sente kati akwate video z'oyagala. Support Ugandan music. Much love and respect. Waiki bani.
Amanya Nedebozi from Dre Kali. The message I have for young Mandela is, Omani, for me, these are lessons for me and the people the people like me. Tulaba, Netuiga, Ira Netukopa, and I hope we have picked something from here. Thank you very much.
Musuzai Eddie, we're proud of you. Really, really proud of you. You make it feel like everything is perfect. And this is a stepping stone. In my gut, interview Ngamba, we could see a Grammy coming to Uganda for once. You've given us hope. I think let me take the microphone to these late boys.
Hello. Yes, bane tuli basanyufu nnyo okubalaba olunaku lwaleero ate era tuli very proud okulwa Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo abadde kufinga B2C. Eddie Kenzo atubeereddewo nnyo.